Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to run Python scripts in n8n. So first, self-host n8n with Python support. So for direct Python execution, use a Docker image or instance of n8n with Python installed. The recommended way is to use the n8n Python Docker image, which includes a Python function node for native Python code execution. Now, step 2 is using the execute command node. So add an execute command node to your workflow. So in the command field, type python/path/to/your_script.py. Make sure you copy this text and add there and use absolute or relative paths as needed. Pass environment variables and arguments as required. Now, for inline Python code, if you're using an n8n installation that includes the Python function node, add a Python function node. Write your Python code directly inside this node to proceed data into workflow. Note that supported packages are limited with Python with pyodide embedded execution. For more libraries, keep using the system Python via execute command. Now, use triggers like HTTP, webhook, schedule, etc. to start the workflow. Then, combine with other n8n nodes for input or output or chaining automation steps. Ensure that your Python and required packages are installed and in the path. Secure your scripts and workflows, especially when accepting external input. And for heavier extended scripts, consider running your Python process via a fast API, Flask service, and interact using HTTP request nodes for better scalability or modularity. So these methods allow you to run Python scripts directly as a part of n8n workflow, enabling advanced computation, data processing, and automation. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.